Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within your document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and open the document that you have created. After that, go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on this find button, and here on the right side you are going to find this search bar, to which you need to type in the keyword that you would like to find within your document. And as you can see here, you can find the matches indicated here in these brief sentences or paragraphs of the text. So if you tap on it, you will be directed to the relevant part within your document, and they are also highlighted with this yellow highlighter, so you can find them more easily. If you want to, you can narrow down your search by applying filters, and basically that's it. That's how you can search within your documents. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.